Oh, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I put all the vegetables in. The ribs are underneath. And I'm going to put the lid on and plug the thing in and set it and then go. Fuzzy is meowing at me. I think she wants me to go cuddle. So I only put a cup and a quarter of water in this time. That shouldn't be too much. Hey, right, there it is. So let me plug this in. Definitely need to clean this cutting board and the counter. Just a moment. Will this reach? I don't know. Alright, now it's beeping at me. And we will set it for so you just fell. I think that's minutes. Now in the oven, to bake these without the vegetables would be 2 hours. So everybody I've said 35, but 25, but I'm going to do it for 35. And it's on. And that's it. So we'll see what happens. And I'll be back later to show you the results when it's done. And then I'll put them in the oven. Or maybe I won't have to with the sauce in there. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. Back to Fuzzy Cat. Okay, this time, I hope I'm going to be a little more careful. It still scared the hell out of me. And my back hurts. Oh, that's not a good idea. Do not push down on the thingy. I'm still learning. Don't push the little red button. Didn't like, ow! That's hot. Didn't like that. I should get some tubing next month and put it over the thing so it all drains into a bucket. Okay. It's bubbling away. Let me get to one of the ribs. Alright, there it is. I will put it in the oven later. But they are very done. So I'll show you after I put sauce and put them in the oven. So biggest problem I have is the steam. But there are the ribs. It's not exactly barbecue, but then I shouldn't have put potatoes in there. You can see all the liquids in there. I guess that's from the vegetables. Alright, let's try this with a fork. See what it tastes like. Oh, fall off the bone. Okay. Very good. Needs sauce. But it's excellent. Okay, I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye. I just said not to put it in the oven. I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it. I drained the liquid. Next time I'll do it as regular ribs. Just put the ribs in and some water. And put the sauce on when I'm done in the oven. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great Easter. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm going to go eat this and go to bed. Bye-bye for now.